you can immediately see that it'll withhold kilograms of weight. And I'm going to show you at the end what they actually did it to showcase that, so stay tuned. The case is that, this is a beautiful phone. It has a Snapdragon Elite, and obviously we're looking at the newest spec, which is just making it, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But the case is that when I look at the battery and the technology they introduced, the battery is the size of a playing card. And you have two batteries in each, with like 3,300, because the total milliampere hours is like 6,600. So that makes it a huge difference. So the front has 6.52 inch with LTPO OLED display and with obviously anti-reflective coating, and at the back we do have this 7.95 inch LTPO OLED. And from what I see, it has 5,000 nits, and they say that when it's open, having the 7.95 inch, it can last for a full day. Over 20 hours of video? That's impressive. That's actually impressive. And one of the things which I very much liked as well of the camera, it has the capability of the AI camera. So you can actually, zoom in on something and then use the AI to actually enhance that. That is a cool feature, that's actually bringing that AI to our daily life. And the thing which I very much like is obviously when you have a foldable phone, you can use the, the actual main camera as a selfie camera. Cool, right? But what they introduced collaboration kind of modes, and you can, when you're actually grabbing a video from, you can see it on your 7.95 inch display, but when you turn on the collaborative mode, someone else can see it also at the front screen. Like, how cool is that? I think it's just one of the things that Honor is actually bringing total innovation. And the last thing which I did tell you is that special thing. So what they did on the event, they actually used a punching bag and they hang it at the hinges of that phone to showcase how durable it is. And they actually had people pulling the actual punching bag to try to break it in a way. That was amazing, and it did survive, and it did work. That showcase it's a real phone, not a prep. So that was just cool. I think that's just something which is just amazing when it comes to the new V6. So yeah, if you like it, let me know in the comments. Let me know, is that something that's actually bringing something new? You also probably, if you haven't seen my robot phone review, you can actually check it out here. And yeah, if you like it, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with what's going on here. Rafael Sibila here from the MWC Barcelona. Take care.
Mad tech talk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.